So ayun, may nagtanong sa atin kung ano nga ba yung mga sample daw ng ating mga application. Bibigyan natin ng kasagutan yung tanong ni Engineer Art Paul Kipit. Ang tanong ni Engineer Art Paul Kipit ay kung ano daw yung mga sample ng every application. Ang mga simple application, ito yung mga construction, renovation, alteration, legalization of the following type of occupancy under ng ating Group G na Section 701 ng ating National Building Code. So yung mga private garage na not more than 90 square meters, yung ating carport, sheds not less than 6 square meters, agricultural buildings, yung ating mga fences more than yung mga 1.80 meters in height, at saka yung mga tanks and towers. Dito rin yung ating mga demolition ng ating mga residential buildings or structures not more than 300 square meter, yung ating mga signages at advertising and business signs. So dito rin napapaloob yung ating mga stand-alone application for building service equipment. So pag sinabi natin building service equipment, those are like mechanical, electrical, sanitary, electronics, and accelerographs. Sa complex naman, ito yung mga interior renovation covered by an appropriate building permit. Ang ating conversion ng ating mga existing occupancy classification, yung ating multiple unit residential houses such as yung ating houses, townhouses, and the like. Yung single detached residential house not more than 7 stories. Yung ating commercial, market, warehouse not more than 9 stories in height. And demolition of any type of occupancy that more than 300 square meters. Billboard structures and all other types of occupancy not more than 9 stories. Sa highly technical application naman, ito yung mga construction, renovation, addition, alteration ng mga commercial market buildings na exceeding 9 stories. At saka yung ating all applications belong to the Group B, Group H, at saka Group I ng ating National Building Code. Lahat po ng mga types of occupancy of more than 90 stories and building with occupancy used for the disaster response, yung ating mga National Disaster Reduction and Management Council Office, in special structures gaya ng ating mga aerodrome facilities, fixed gateway transit and passenger railway system, historical building structures, historic center or heritage zones, yung ating wind turbine generating facilities, immobilized vehicle and vessels, motion pictures, television production, studio sound stages and approved production, offshore energy facilities, the photovoltaic system, towers and underground structures, and windowless building. So yun, naway nagkaroon kayo ng konting kaalaman kung paano natin i-categorize ang ating mga client application, kung ito ay simple, complex, at highly technical. For more videos and updates regarding the FAIR Code, please follow my FB page.